In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts to CSV. This is a quick way to back up your address book, move contacts to another email service, or open them in a spreadsheet app for cleanup. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. These steps apply to the classic desktop version on Windows. With Outlook open, look to the top left corner and click the File tab. That opens the Backstage view where all the import and export tools live. In the left menu, choose Open and Export, then select Import Export. This launches the Import and Export wizard, which handles moving data in and out of Outlook. When the wizard appears, pick Export to a file and click Next. This tells Outlook you're creating a copy of your data instead of bringing something in. On the next screen, choose comma separated values. CSV is a universal format that works with Excel, Google Sheets, and most email providers. Click Next to continue. Now select the contacts folder you want to export. If you have more than one email account in Outlook, expand the account and choose the contacts or people folder under the account that holds the addresses you need. You can export one folder at a time, so pick the one that contains your main list. Click Next, and when prompted to browse, you'll choose where to save the file. Click Browse and pick a location you can easily find later. Your desktop or documents folder are good choices. If you're saving to a shared drive, make sure you have permission and that you'll remember the path. After choosing the folder, type a clear, memorable file name like Outlook Contacts Export. If a file with the same name already exists, Outlook may ask whether to replace it. You can confirm or choose a different name. Click OK to confirm the save location, then click Next to review the export summary. If you see any additional prompts such as a quick mapping screen, the default settings usually work well, just proceed. Finally, click Finish to start the export. For small contact lists, it may complete almost instantly. Larger lists can take a little longer, so let Outlook finish before moving on. When it's done, your contacts are saved to a CSV file in the location you selected. You can open that file in Excel to spot check names, email addresses, and phone numbers. If you plan to import the file elsewhere, avoid changing the column headers. And that's it, your Outlook contacts are now safely exported to CSV.